What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. 2024, I told y'all we're gonna be doing big things. The weather is pretty disgusting outside. This is why content is a little bit slower, but if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I had picked up a head mount for more POV driving. It's better, bro. It's just overall, I don't gotta walk around with a stick. I can actually focus and drive better without holding the damn hand mount in my hand. So the head mount is a little bit better. I'm using my watch, as you can see, to set everything up, but for the most part it's pretty handy. Let me put the screen down so you can get better view. But for the most part, bro, so yeah, welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today's video, we're gonna get the car tinted, and I want to talk to y'all about a little what I'm projecting for the summer for the car. So let me get a little look at the car. The car's, bro, the weather is pretty crazy, bro. Look at this shit. This shit is terrible. So the car is really filthy right now. I don't even want to wash it because it's gonna snow again on Friday, tomorrow, which is Friday. So this is literally what the car is looking like right now, right? Hella dirty, bro, hella dirty. We're gonna get this thing tinted because I'm tired of seeing this shit. I'm tired of bubbles in the back, and I'm just tired of this shit. I need this shit to be a little bit more darker. But for the most part, as I said, what we're really here to talk about is the tuning aspect of the car, right? So the car is already tuned stage 2. I don't know if I said that, but I'm gonna say it again. The car is tuned stage 2. I got a CTS downpipe. I got an exhaust system on it. So before I get any cosmetics, not suspension, but wheels, carbon fiber parts, front lip, whatever, before I even lower the car, I'm just gonna finish up stage 2, right? So the only thing I need to finish stage 2 is a intake, the access port to reflash the car, intercooler, and I'm gonna put a turbo inlet on the car for a better airflow for the turbo, right? That's literally what I need to finish up stage 2, and we should be at some good numbers after that. I want to get a car dynoed after that. So hopefully, from my knowledge and research on the car, if I get everything I need to finish up stage 2, I should be around the 400, between 390 400 range. I don't know. I'm gonna get the car dynoed though, just to make sure all the numbers is accurate. But for the most part, that's what I got. That's what I want to do before I start doing cosmetic, man. So by the summer, hopefully I can get everything done with stage 2. So 2024, man, this is the year we're gonna do everything we need to do. We finally got a car that can actually post. I mean, I was posting good content on the Camry, but speed wise, look wise, brand wise, it's overall better platform. A lot of people talk about reliability, bro. Every car got an issue. You just gotta take care of your car and be on your maintenance, you know what I'm saying? And I'm planning to get something else for a daily. So for the most part, this is just gonna be my weekend car, but for right now, it's gonna be the daily. Gonna make her look real pretty as usual. Get her real good, man. I'll be holding the stick like it's a fucking manual. It's like a manual. Fucking grandmas and shit. I can't stand people who drive so slow, bro. Love this car, man. Oh my god, oh my god, I can't wait to finish up stage 2, man. I just can't wait. This shit feels so fucking sweet, man. Oh my god, like this shit is so bad. And don't worry, y'all, the car is already warmed up because I was driving it a little bit earlier. So the fact that y'all just see me drove off, I mean, don't pay attention to that. I already warmed the car up and everything. And then this nigga in front of me, bro. I definitely need to learn how to drive manual one day, though. I'm gonna get myself into a manual car for learning experience, but I literally be holding on my stick like it's a manual car all the time. It's a bad habit. It's a badass to the tinting aspect, right? I want to go 35 on the front, and I want to say 15, 35 on the front and the back, and 15 all around. Or matter of fact, fuck that. I'm gonna go 35 on the front and 15 all around. I'm literally do what I had on the Camry. I'm gonna go 15 on the back, and 15 on the sides. If anything, probably 5%. I don't know yet. But when I get there, I'm gonna make my final decision. But for the most part, what the fuck happened? Oh, it's still going. I was about to say, but yeah, for the most part, I definitely want to go what I had on the camera. If y'all see me looking down at my watches, because I'm paying attention to the recording, because I use my watch as like a look over. Oh, god damn it! I use my watch as a look over to see what's going on behind me. See what's going on in the recording. I can't even talk right. So the first test of the POV, man, I like it. I definitely like it. I damn put gas in the car too. I know I'm gonna need gas out of this. This shit eat gas so much, bro. I'll literally be at a gas station every goddamn week. But fuck it. This is the life of a fast car, right? We young, man. You make decisions. If you want to make mistakes when you're young, fuck it, go for it, bro. Just make sure the decisions don't cost you too much. You know what I'm saying? I know what I was getting into when I bought this car, and I made the decision like, yo, I'm working towards something, and I'm gonna go with it. You know what I'm saying? The car is pretty not that bad at all. As I said, it's not gonna be the daily forever. I am working on getting on something else, but I also have a lot of responsibility and shit to take care of. I definitely want to get my own place too, a decent place where I can park the car, because eventually, bro, I'm gonna go carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fender, and all that lovely stuff. So definitely not gonna want no carbon fiber fenders and hood while I park outside. Hell no. So, you know what I mean? That's good. So I love, yo, I can't express how much I love hearing this car, bro. Like, no matter, I get in this shit every day, and I'm just mesmerized by the sound. Like, this shit sounds so freaking good. So freaking good. And I told you know what's crazy? I told myself I'm not buying no more 4-cylinder car, bro. And now I end up with a 4-cylinder. This shit is wild. But it's a turbo 4-cylinder, and it's an AUDI S3, so it's like, what can I really be mad about? You know what I mean? I ain't even be too mad. So I'm gonna enjoy the car for as long as I got it for. Hopefully I'll have it for a long this time. And the drone ain't even that bad. Like, some cars, bro, would be so terrible with the drone, but it's not even that bad. I honestly can say it's not that bad. Alright, y'all, so we finally got back home. The car is done tinted. We end up going 35 on the front, 35 in the back, and 5 on the sides. So it's definitely dark. Can't see nothing. You know what I'm saying? I definitely like that. Damn, I'm walking around with my phone on my head. It's crazy. But for the most part, the car is tinted. know what I'm saying? Let me know how you like the video down below in the comment section. There will be more videos like this coming soon. I bought the head mount, bro. I'm definitely gonna put it to good use. But for the most part, bro, I'm saying we out. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, bro.
I just like the sound.